Hi guys, so we are watching gold, and do you remember on Friday's trade I had actually entered gold sales and I had this zone as take profit and I put my stop loss here, okay? And I already posted a video. So the video before this, if you go to it, you would see all the explanations for why I took the gold sales. And after this long red candle came down, I essentially now took gold from stop loss and I put it at break even. And then the next candle, this candle right here, that the mouse is pointing at now came up and took me at break even, which I guess was a good thing because market would have eventually hit me off at my stop loss and did all this before coming down. So I guess it was too early an entry for those sales and this was my take profit. So the sales came, but the entry was not great because I took the sales here. Little did I know, but probably because market was going into the weekend. So a lot does happen. So the setup kind of wasn't going to give the way I expected it to. But market did eventually sell and actually came down to the zone where I was looking to collect take profit. So at least it was a break-even trade, no losses made. But after market has hit here now, guys, I've just noticed we formed a bullish engulfing. So with this bullish engulfing, I'm expecting market to go up from basically this zone that I've entered. It might come back a bit further down before going up. So I'm going to keep an eye on this and see how it plays out. So with this bullish engulfing, we do have a bearish engulfing, so it's giving that market might come back to test deeper into the bearish engulfing. So, but I'm just gonna hold the trade because it may not come deeper, and I would rather just wait out the trade and see how it plays out as opposed to getting out because of this bearish engulfing and looking for re-entry around this zone. I'll just hold it out. You know, it's a great risk to reward. So let's see how this plays out. I'll be back. As you can see, guys, market did go up. And if you remember correctly, I mentioned the bearish engulfing that market would likely come back down. And market did come back down, even took out the previous bottom to give a full double bottom of this channel. Okay, so that has happened and then market formed a bullish engulfing, but it's a good thing I didn't get out of the trade. Do you know why? Because I was just like, usually when there's like both bullish engulfings showing on both screens, we had a bullish engulfing here, we had a bullish engulfing here, usually the trade always plays out like, and these are not only two time frames I'm watching, right? I'm also watching on TradingView, and I also have another platform that I watch everything. All of those time frames were literally showing the market was gonna go up. Okay, so I was like, yes, I'm gonna hold my trade because literally, yeah, everything was aligning too much. I just thought, okay, whatever downside it's gonna give, it's not gonna be much. So I'm willing to risk it and do like a 1-to-2 ratio. Before it was going to be like a 1-to-4 risk to reward. Now I was like, okay, yeah, let's make it a 1-to-2 risk to reward. With this bearish engulfing, market was likely coming down here, but of course it did come out a little bit more to give a full double bottom. So I was like, okay, cool. And then we had the bullish engulfing. Imagine if I had exited the bullish engulfing and waited for a reversal for this one, right? Now this happened. Now with this, I'd be waiting for market to get close to the neckline of the engulfing, which it didn't. It just went up from there. Just literally went up from there, okay? So I would have missed out on the trade, and that's exactly what I was worried about. And that's what I mentioned. This is why I didn't want to get out, because I was sure that the trade was going to play out, which it did, but I just felt like, okay, well, it might come back down, maybe to give the full double bottom, take out some stop losses, everything. I will wait that out, okay, and just go for a 1-to-2 trade. And I put some alerts. This yellow zones are alerts. Basically, I had an alert there for market to go off if it does hit here, but it ended up, but I didn't actually need this alert, but I get distracted easily sometimes. Like I can get a phone call or something. So I put the alert just in case, okay, for my exit if the trade was going to continue going downside. But it formed this candle just before it hit that, and it went up, and then it continued going up, and then I put this alert just in case market hits here, in case it wants to test the engulfing, which it didn't. It just continued going up from there. And if you remember, my take profit was essentially here, so I closed out the trade. As you can see, I'm not in the trade anymore. So that's how this trade played out. I actually set an alert. When you set an alert and it goes off, this is what it looks like. And once it goes off, this yellow line disappears. So that's how I knew that market was basically at this zone. I set an alert just before this zone to let me know when market reaches that zone to watch out what it's doing. And that's how I took that trade. I had to risk more, but I was certain of the move that was going to play out. So I wasn't willing to give up on the move. I'm going to leave this video connecting to the previous video for the sales that took into market close that closed me at break even. So you would see where market took me out after, you would see where market stopped at before it went back up to take me out at break even. So make sure you watch that so you can understand the beginning of this video on my explanation as to the sales that I was talking about. Okay, yes, I did notice this bearish engulfing, which of course formed at a interesting zone. So this sells, and we did have a perfect neckline retest of the engulfing, but I chose not to take it because of this here and because of this here. So I figured, you know, I may not get much play in it with this candlestick, but it was a good trade still if one took that scalp, because of course we got here market basically stopped out at this order block, went back up, and potentially could be coming back down. So this is basically what might be playing out right now. But yep, I haven't taken any more trades. I have taken a trade I wanted to take, and that's good enough for me. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hi, so this is BTC USD, and I've just spotted this little channel, and I think it's about to go up. This would be the first take profit for this channel. I guess this would be second take profit. Okay, so this is just observations for extra market calls. So because market has given a bullish engulfing here, as you can see, and it's right at this zone. So essentially this is the buy zone. Okay, and market is about to go up. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. Let me put the mark on this, the arrow. Okay, and technically the neckline for the engulfing is here, which these two candles have touched, and then this is highlighting the support zone and the order block market is playing for. So we're expecting market to essentially hit here at least, and we will be right back once this is complete. Market just hit the first TP for the BTC 5-minute continuation pattern, whether it's a flag, if you want to call it a flag. This move has played out, and make sure you like and subscribe. This was just a bonus. Bye.